floor.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so fade away, cause every word I make up on the script like an ashtray. I got a vendetta against people who got did my brain negative. You should be getting everything the same way. I got facts over tracks, isn't that shit slow? Fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at that, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because who I find to play exterior inferior. Yeah, I'll always be the superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say in the back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And you believe in what you got, you was built to last. Be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gotta learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Irresponsible, from their own. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch you.
Straight alive. Really effective rig. You just put it, it's your main line, your hook line, and your float line. Some places you can just float it way out. South Point, all over. Thanks for watching. More videos coming. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Just bench this.